Hello everyone, this is Ganesh, and in this video I am going to explain a very important problem, and most of the students having doubt. uh, just observe how I am explaining and try to understand. And you have to, if you understand this problem, you have to practice similar kind of problems easily. You can solve it, you can make the equations, and everything will be easy. Yes, before going to start this, you have to remember one thing. Please share this video and like, and give the comments if you have any doubts, and recommend these videos to your friends also. Oh, that is a help, you have to do it for me. Yes, let us start this. And the problem is, the boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. That is one statement. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. That is the second statement. Now what we are going to find, that is determine the speed of the stream and that of the boat in still water. So two things we are going to find it, that is what is the speed of stream and what is the speed of boat. So stream is nothing. Stream, everybody we know that the flowing water, it has, the water is having some speed. That kind of things are called streams. Stream also having some speed, boat also having some speed. Whenever these kind of problems are there, upstream, downstream, there means here boat and stream are in contact. So here speed when we are taking the speed, just both together we have to take relative speed, we have to find it. So that we are going to find here. And now what is upstream, what is downstream, I told you already in the earlier videos. If you don't know, just I leave the link in the description, you can watch that video also. Okay, so here okay, anyway I'll give you the brief introduction of upstream and downstream. We all know that for example, water is flowing like this. So in this direction water is flowing. So here the boat is there, here boat is there here. If boat and water, boat is traveling in this way and water is also same direction, then we can say that is downstream. That is called downstream. For example, water is flowing in this direction and boat is traveling in this direction, so opposite direction. So water, stream and boat is in opposite direction, that is called upstream, we can say upstream. So here relative speeds for downstream different, upstream different. Downstream means relative speed, we have to take it by adding the speeds. We have to add boat and stream speeds. And if upstream means we have to subtract their speeds, that we are going to do it. And now here two conditions, two situations are there. So one is what, 30 kilometers upstream, 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. That is one thing. Second thing is in 13 hours, 40 kilometers upstream, 55 kilometers downstream. Okay, first here what is x, what is y? We are dealing with pair of linear equation with two variables. So what are the two variables we have to know first. So for that, here what is x, what is y? Here I am going to take, we are going to find, determine the speeds of stream and water, boat they said. So the speed of boat, I'll take it as x, kilometers per hour, whatever it may be, and speed of stream is y, kilometers per hour. So x, y we got it. Now how to make the equation? So first equation I'll take, first equation. So in the first equation here, so in the question, in the first situation, time given in 10 hours, that means upstream and downstream both together 10 hours. So first we have to find time taken for upstream, time taken for downstream. Whenever distance, speed, time is there, the relation we have to know. So time taken for upstream. So here I am going to find upstream and downstream. So here time is equal to distance by speed. time equal to distance by speed. Okay, here to find time, distance already we know. For upstream, how much distance? 30 kilometers they said. Distance already 30 kilometers upstream. So now what is speed? Speed is equal to, for upstream what I said, speeds upstream. Upstream means opposite directions. Speeds are subtracted, that means x minus y. So x is speed of boat, y is speed of water. So their speeds will be subtract, that is relative speed, we have to select it, relative speed here. So now substitute the values here. To get time taken for the upstream is distance, upstream distance 30 kilometers, and speed, relative speed of both the things is here, speed in the place of speed x minus y, we have to select it. So this is what time taken for upstream, 30 by x minus y is time. Then for downstream, what is the distance of downstream? 44 kilometers downstream. And what is the speed for downstream? Means I said both must be added, x plus y. That means speed of boat, speed of y must be added, relative speed of downstream is x plus y. Then time is equal to distance by speed, that is 44 by x plus y. So this is the time for downstream, this is for time for upstream. But both upstream and downstream together, how many hours? That is how many hours? 10 hours. Now we have to make the equation for these two. We all know that here both together. So 30 by x minus y upstream time plus downstream time 44 by x plus y is equal to total 10 hours they are taking. This is the first equation. This is the first equation. First statement, that means every pair of linear equation, two statements are there. For each statement we have to make one equation. So by using first statement we got one equation. And now for another equation, what is that? Here 13 hours they are taking, 13 hours, 40 kilometers upstream and 55 kilometers downstream. Again I am taking upstream and downstream. And for upstream, what is the distance? For upstream, the distance is 44 kilometers, and the speed is for upstream, sorry, here for upstream distance is 40 kilometers, and for upstream speed, relative speed, we have to take it. Relative speed is upstream means what I said, subtract their speeds. So both we got it. Then what is the time? Again here time only we know, both together 13 hours. So time for upstream is distance by speed, that is 40 by x minus y. And again for downstream the distance is distance 55 kilometers, and relative speed is equal to, for downstream I said x plus y, add their speeds, that is relative speed. Now time taken for downstream is equal to 55 by x plus y. So this one we got it. So both the times we got it, upstream, downstream. So if we add these two, we get 13 hours. So that means 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x plus y is equal to 13 hours. Is equal to 13 hours. So this is the second equation. So this is the second equation, and this one is the first equation. So if we solve these two equations, we will get x value, y value. But these equations are in fraction form. So reducible method, already I told you, reducible these kind of equations, how can we solve? By using reducible method. So already I made another video, already I made. So I leave the link in the description. You can watch, a few problems are there. Even again I'll explain these things. So in both the equations, the common thing is 1 by x minus y and 1 by x plus y. So 1 by x minus y equal to a, I'll take. 1 by x plus y is b, I'll take it. If I substitute the values in both equations, I'll get 30a plus 44b, that is equal to 10. And another equation is 40a plus 55b is equal to 13. Two equations are reduced. After reducing into another equations, we got another linear equation. So if we solve these two, we'll get a value, b value. After finding a value, b value, we can find x value, y value also. First, here I am using substitution method. For substitution method, I'll take this equation. Using that equation, I'll find b value. So here b is equal to 10 minus 30a. 30a I send this side, it becomes, so 44, what is that, it divides 44. Now this b value I'll substitute in this equation. So then 40a plus 55 into, in the place of b I'll write a 10 minus 30a by 44. 30a by 44 is equal to 13, second equation. This is substitution method, that's the reason I substituted. Now here onwards simplifications. Simplifications means here I can cancel 11 4s are 11 5s are. So after cancellation I got 40a plus a, with this 5 multiply these two, 5 10s are 50 plus minus 5 3s are 15, that means 150a by 4, that equal to 13. Now so here I'll take LCM. So for 4s are 160a plus 50 minus 150a is equal to, with this 4 we have to multiply, 4 13s are 52. So here 160a minus 150, so that is 10a, that equal to 52 minus 50. This 50 I send this side. Then I'll get a is equal to 52 minus 50 is 2 by 10, that is 5s are, so that equal to 5, that means a is equal to 5. A value 5 we got it. So after getting a value, already b value we know this. Here b is equal to 10 minus 30a, b value. So b already we found already, 10 minus 30a by 44. So in this, if I substitute a value, I'll get b value also. So 10 minus 30 into 5 divided by 44, that is equal to 10 minus 5 3s are 15, 150 by 45. Sorry, here small mistake. Here's small mistake, that this is not 5, 1 by 5. Yes, 1 by 5, this a value 1 by 5. So in the place of a, if I put 1 by 5, then here I can cancel it. 5 1s are 5 6 are, yes. So in the place of not 6 are, yes. So now is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4 by, and here 44 we have to write, yes, 44. 4 1s are 4 11s are, that is equal to b value 1 by 11, a value 1 by 5 we got it. So but not these values, a value is different, again b value is different. For example, b value, how much we have selected, b is equal to 1 by x plus y we have taken. So 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 11, because both the values are same. Now what is this? X plus y is equal to 11. This is the another equation. Like you can take a third equation. At the same time, a value also, a is equal to 1 by 5. A is equal to 1 by 5. But already a is equal to 1 by x minus y. Already we selected in the reduce, when we reduced earlier. There we have taken a is equal to 1 by. Both the equations are equal, means x minus y is equal to 1 by 5. So when these two are equal, x minus y is equal to 5. This is fourth equation. So our final aim is finding x value and y value. So by solving third one and fourth, we'll get x value, y value. That is x plus y is equal to 11. X minus y is equal to 5. Here I'll use elimination method. I'll use it. For elimination here, why signs both are different, that's the reason I'll add these two. I'll add it. If we are adding, no need to change the signs for the second equation. So directly if I add these two, gets cancel opposite signs. X plus x 2x, 11 plus 5 16. So finally x is equal to 2 ones are 2 8. So x equal to 8 kilometers per hour. That is, this is the speed of boat we have selected. This is now finally if x value substitute in any one of the equation, either third one or fourth one, we'll get y value also. For example, fourth one, x minus y is equal to 5 I'll take. So 8 minus y is equal to 5. Then 8 minus 5 equal to y. Then 8 minus 5 is 3. So y is equal to 3 kilometers per hour. Y, what is y? What is y? Y is the speed of stream. So finally we got 8 kilometers per hour boat speed and 3 kilometers per hour, that is stream speed. I hope you understand well this. If you are not understanding or any confusion, once again you watch this video slowly, you can understand all the simplifications and everything I did in this, and clearly I explained also. And you do not forget, please, if you like this video, share it and like it, and if you have any doubts, comment. You can give the comments also. Please subscribe my channel and recommend this channel to your friends. Thank you very much.